everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I post a video or upload a video, however you say it, you are notified. Anyways, so this video is going to be about how I do my professional pedicure in the comfort of my own home, and I hope you guys really like this video. And since a lot of people are in quarantine right now, I hope you guys take advantage of this time. And I know these things you might not be able to find in your local stores right now. You might have to order them on Amazon, because I do get all my nail products from a professional store. I do have a license, a manicure license, and I do have a pro card to shop there. Anyways, if you the color Bubble Bath by OPI in the gel polish, Alpine Snow gel color by OPI. So these are the two colors that were very popular in that TikTok video, and I hope you guys can get your hands on these on Amazon or wherever you guys can order these from. So these are the famous two colors that I use. You guys can find these tools anywhere, like at Walmart, Target. They're not gonna look exactly like this, but I'm pretty sure you can get tools that can do the same job as these tools did. So this is what I used: a nail clipper, cuticle pusher, this guy right here, which also doesn't have a name on it but is a coarse texture. And I also got Mr. Pumice, whatever, to just kind of buff out the heel and make it feel a little bit softer. And then my pedicure brush. This, I love using it to just really get in there and get the blood flowing to my feet. And I love how my feet look after I use this, because they look lighter. They look 10 shades lighter. Anyways, I hope I'm not forgetting anything else. Oh yeah, something I also used is this bonding aid from OPI. It balances the acidic pH on your nails. And I also used acetone, 100% acetone and 90% alcohol. The alcohol I used to just clean up and wipe off the final top clear coat, the shiny coat at the end, because if you don't wipe it, it leaves a very tacky layer, so it's gonna feel sticky if you don't use the alcohol. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making videos for you guys.